This instructional video shows you how to set up and maintain your HeartSine Defibrillator from First Aid, Accident and Emergency. When you open the box, you'll have your defibrillator and your pad pack. Remove your device from its carry case and place it on a flat surface. The standard pad pack can be used on adults or children that weigh more than 25 kilos. For children that are between 1 and 8 or weigh less than 25 kilos, there is a paediatric pad pack available. Insert the pad pack into the device. You'll hear a click when it is properly inserted. Turn on your device and ensure that the LED lights light up. There will be a green LED indicator that shows that your device is ready to use. Turn the AED off by pressing the on-off button. The status indicator should continue to flash green. Once your defibrillator has been set up, simply place it back into its cover and zip it back up. In the back section of the cover, there is some empty space, and if you've purchased a patient prep kit which has scissors, a face shield for CPR, a surgical razor, pack everything back into your defibrillator and put it in an accessible place within your workplace. The defibrillator will do a self-test check every day to make sure it is ready to go in an emergency situation. However, we've included a monthly checklist as per manufacturer's recommendations to ensure your defibrillator is easily accessible, the pad and the batteries are up to date, and people are trained within your workplace. HeartSine Defibrillators, brought to you by First Aid, Accident and Emergency.